entire video was created using AI, from generating the animated characters to turning them into videos, fixing the lighting, and enhancing video quality, all inside the Filmora AI. Let me show you how to do this step by step. If you're a creator who feels limited editing only on your phone, this video shows what becomes possible when you move to the desktop and use AI tools properly. I will walk you through how I create AI images, turn them into videos, and polish everything inside Filmora. This is the Filmora desktop version, and you can see different tools have lots of tools. But first, we'll be creating our AI image using the Nano banana feature inside the Filmora. And here I'll go right here where you see the media stock. I'll click on media stock. So once I click on media stock, you have here AI image, and down here you can see video, image to video, text to video, video extension, and many more. All these features, but I'll be using the image feature. Click there and it says generate image. Okay, where it says generate your image, you can see here describe image, which is where you click and you have something like this. Now you have to put your prompt right here, and you can see up there Nano Banana Pro. So you have here, if you click on it, you have Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, and Standard. So we'll be using the Nano Banana Pro to generate this image. And right here, I'll just put my prompt. Okay, so just put your prompt here. I just actually had my prompt, so I'll just place it there. I don't want to waste your time. Type in. So click on generate and wait for our image to get ready. Okay, so actually it's very, very important for you to generate high quality image, because your image actually gets to tell how good your video is gonna look. So you need to generate high quality image. All right, so I got this image, and this is how our image looks like. You can actually see it's super nice, very clean very clean image. So the next tool that we are going to use right here, which is still inside the Filmora app, we generate image to video. Okay, so we'll be using the VO3. You'll be using the VO3.1 or Sora 2. All right, so at this point you can actually use the same image. We use the same image, or we just do a text to video. So we have image to video right here. So our image to video requires, like, if you have a video, you click right here. So I'll be going to the gallery and then I'll take an image. So let's go to our gallery and get an image. So once you have your image ready, the next thing we are going to do is to generate our videos. Now here, when it comes to the video section, you actually have text to video, you have image to video, and in here we'll be doing that with the Sora AI, or we'll be using the VO3. So let's go where it says text to video. We'll be starting with the text to video, and up here you can actually see the VO3.1. And you have other options. You have Sora 2, and you have the Google VO3 and the normal version. Okay, right here, you need to paste your prompt. You need to paste your prompt right here, okay, where it says prompt required. And again, if you actually script and add dialogue to your videos, you definitely get talking characters as well in Filmora, okay? So let's go. Let me put on a prompt. So I'll click here and I'll paste my prompt right here. So this is my prompt. I just actually created a prompt. I wanted something very good for you all to understand. So I got my prompt, and the next thing I need to do here is just to click on generate. And you wait for this to generate. So the most important part of this is you'll be generating your videos in here from image to video, from text to video. And again, you can actually add voiceovers. You can add a dialogue, okay? Your characters can talk, because we have this VO3.1 and we have Sora inside of Filmora. Guys, I don't know, but for me, this is actually good for like influencers, lifestyle. If you want to do lifestyle content, if you want to do story time, if you want to do the cartoon characters, this is for you. If you want to actually create videos without switching one tool to another, you just want one tool to help you with the workflow, this Filmora is going to do the job for you.
Honestly, it was the best decision we made for the renovation.
Yes.
The brass fixtures just tie everything together perfect. So when you're creating content, what's your main focus?
The video is perfect, realistic, and the lip sync is super. We already tried the text to video and it's perfect. So the next, I will try the image to video so you can also see how it goes. All right, so here it says image. I'll just click there and I'll upload an image. Let's take this image, bring it in. So this is the image we are bringing in, and I'll click here on submit. And mind you, you can actually change the dimension of this image right here, because of course you can edit everything on here. So I'll click here on submit, and right here where it says please describe your prompt or describe your video, I'll click there, and I'll also give it a dialogue script. Okay, my dialogue script that I'm putting in here. Okay, you can screenshot and try it out as well. So I'll just click here on generate. Told you guys
Honestly,
already.
you're doing better than you think.
Really, because it doesn't always feel like it.
It never does.
Yeah.
But you're growing. That's what matters.
So you see what I did right here? I actually gave it a prompt, a script for it to talk, and it did. Okay, and again, I actually did realistic image, and I did the 3D cartoons for you to be able to see that on here you can actually generate your story step by step and put everything together. So once AI videos are generated, Filmora becomes my main work space. Okay, at this point I'll bring in all my clips together, adding voiceovers, transition, and effects. Clips together, you just press hold on them and drag, and then you bring them in. Okay, so that's what we'll do right here. Right, we have all the videos like this. So the next thing you need to do here, you can add in transitions. You can see click add in transitions, effect, filters. You can add in stickers and all that. Now down here, if you actually want words to be appearing on your screen while you talk, if it's a podcast or an advert or something, you can add in words. Okay, once you're done doing that, down here you can see audio. You want to add in voiceover. This is where you click and you add in your voiceover, and the recording here is super good because trust me, you can actually enhance the voice on Filmora editing as well. Now the icing on the cake, okay, to take my content from 0 to 100, this is actually good for those of you who are recording your videos without good lighting, and you can edit these videos even after recording them. So we'll be using one of the new feature in the Filmora v15.2 to actually take this content from 0 to 100. Now I'll be using the relight. The relight will actually help you relight your videos from 0 to 100, and this feature is actually good for creators who do not have good lighting setup in their homes. So you can actually record your video, and after recording you still relight this video. Now once you click on your video up here, just click here, you can actually see video, audio, speed, animation, colors. When you click on the video, down here you can see relight. Bro, click here on relight. You have the facials where you can actually put light just on your face. For those of you who record just the portrait kind of videos, you can use this. See ambience, I love this one. Don't try. Okay, so now I'll look for the one that I like. I'll click on this first. I'll choose that one. So once you choose, give it a few seconds, and then boom, your video. Oh my gosh, oh my, ooh, my gosh, this is super good. All right, so now you have this. Let me show you something, a small secret to fix this up. Now here, when you come down here, you can see light 1, light 2. Okay, both, it means if it's on both, it actually means this lighting will be on your skin and on your background. So you can actually just take it, people, either on your skin only and the background is still same color, or you take it, go back to the background, or you choose the background. I like to choose the background on this one, so I'll choose background on light 1. Then light 2, you need to edit both lights together, not just one but both. I'll edit light 2, I'll click on light 2, and then I go down again, click on both, then I choose background. You see that? Bro, don't play. And you can actually play along with this one, like add intensity, reduce if you don't like, if it's too much for you, the positioning of the light, if you want it behind, below, just edit it here. All right, you're editing everything, adding in everything here, your transitions, your effects, your voiceovers, everything, and you still have the real light to top this up. Don't play with Filmora. If you're recording bad videos, just bring all your bad videos here on Filmora and fix them up, okay?
It was the best decision we made for the renovation.
Yes.
The brass fixtures just tie everything together perfectly.
It really is stunning.
This entire workflow from AI image creation to AI video generation to the final editing and enhancement all can be done on the Filmora desktop, okay? If you did like to try this workflow yourself, I'll leave the link in the description box. I'll be leaving this in the description box. You need to try out this workflow because, bro, it's giving everything in one.